Hey everybody, this week's Tip Tuesday, we are going to be planting onions. They're coming right from my garden. So when planting onions, it's probably a good idea to keep them in a straight line. So I put a piece of wood there, going straight down to there. I make my trench. And then when you're planting onions or planting in a brand new bed, let's put some compost in there. So got some compost from my bin, let's grab it out. I'm just gonna put it in here. Grab my onion and drop it right in there. So we're putting our onion about 2 inches down, and we're going to cover it with another 2 to 3 inches of dirt. So when planting your onions, it's very good to plant your onions in early spring in a well-drained garden box. And also when we're planting our onions, we want to keep them about 3 to 4 inches from each other. Very good on your spacing, so when they grow, they'll grow about a couple inches, and then your next one will grow a couple inches all the way down.
Till next time, keep growing.
That's right. Keep growing, and I'll talk to you next Tuesday.